What's something people don't know about Alzheimer's disease? It's not just a memory thief. It's a devastating diagnosis, robbing individuals of their memories and independence. Emerging research is uncovering a startling connection between Alzheimer's disease and diabetes, a relationship so compelling it's been dubbed type 3 diabetes. This groundbreaking concept suggests that Alzheimer's may be a metabolic disorder, primarily affecting the brain. By understanding how diabetes contributes to Alzheimer's, we can develop more effective prevention and treatment strategies. The term type 3 diabetes is still under debate in the medical community, but the connection between metabolic health and brain health is undeniable. Over 422 million people globally have diabetes, and Alzheimer's disease affects over 55 million. We face a silent epidemic with millions unknowingly at risk. By understanding insulin resistance, poor diet, and lack of exercise, we can improve our overall health and well-being, potentially reducing our risk of Alzheimer's. Our journey into the hidden link between diabetes and Alzheimer's begins with an often overlooked organ, the liver. This silent guardian filters toxins, produces bile, and regulates blood sugar levels. The modern diet strains our livers, leading to fatty liver disease, which impairs liver function and disrupts metabolism, causing various health issues. At the heart of the connection between fatty liver disease, diabetes, and Alzheimer's lies inflammation, a key player in the development of insulin resistance. Studies show that people with Alzheimer's have increased levels of inflammatory markers in their brains, suggesting that inflammation contributes to the death of brain cells and the formation of amyloid plaques, hallmarks of the disease. This chronic inflammation and insulin resistance hinder the brain's ability to utilize glucose, leading to energy deficits and cognitive decline. Processed sugars and high-carb foods, the usual suspects. Our modern diet is overflowing with processed sugars and high-carb foods, hiding in everything from sugary drinks to white bread. These refined carbohydrates cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, overwhelming the liver and contributing to the development of fatty liver disease. Excess carbohydrates are stored as fat, leading to weight gain, obesity, and increased chronic disease risk. This metabolic dysfunction plays a pivotal role in the development of Alzheimer's. The liver, our body's primary detoxification organ, converts excess fructose into fat, leading to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. NAFLD affects an estimated 25% of the global population, impairing the liver's ability to perform vital functions and increasing the risk of cirrhosis, liver failure, and liver cancer. The metabolic disturbances caused by NAFLD contribute to insulin resistance and chronic inflammation, key factors in Alzheimer's development. The brain relies heavily on glucose for fuel. When insulin resistance sets in, the brain's ability to utilize glucose becomes compromised, leading to an energy crisis that affects cognitive function. This deficit can manifest as brain fog, difficulty concentrating, memory problems, and overall cognitive decline. The impaired glucose metabolism and chronic inflammation in the brain are central to the development of Alzheimer's. Emerging evidence suggests that metabolic dysfunction plays a pivotal role in Alzheimer's development. Insulin resistance in the brain disrupts glucose metabolism, making brain cells more susceptible to damage and accelerating brain aging. Chronic inflammation damages blood vessels, reducing blood flow and depriving the brain of essential nutrients, further contributing to Alzheimer's pathology. Metabolic syndrome, a cluster of health conditions including abdominal obesity, high blood pressure, elevated blood sugar, high triglycerides, and low HDL cholesterol, increases the risk of heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. These metabolic disturbances are also linked to an increased risk of Alzheimer's, underscoring the importance of metabolic health in preventing cognitive decline. Adopting a holistic approach that prioritizes both physical and mental well-being is crucial. Make conscious choices about food, physical activity, and stress management. Reduce refined carbohydrates and replace them with nutrient-dense whole foods. Regular physical activity and stress-reducing techniques like deep breathing exercises, including focused exhale, progressive muscle relaxation, and mindfulness, can enhance overall health by increasing nitric oxide levels, which improves blood circulation, supports cardiovascular health, and boosts endurance. These benefits, in turn, may contribute to reducing the risk of metabolic disorders, which are known to be risk factors for Alzheimer's disease. We have the power to take control of our metabolic health and reduce our risk of diabetes and Alzheimer's. Type 3 diabetes highlights the connection between our metabolic and cognitive health. By understanding the science and making informed choices, we can chart a healthier future and potentially prevent Alzheimer's disease. Understanding the connection between diabetes and Alzheimer's involves diagnostics like the gene methylation test and hair analysis. These tests can guide personalized treatment plans, potentially reversing harmful gene expression patterns and identifying imbalances that may contribute to or exacerbate diabetes and Alzheimer's. The power to reclaim our metabolic health lies within each of us. It starts with making conscious choices about the foods we eat and incorporating regular physical activity into our routines. Prioritizing mental well-being through stress-reducing techniques can have a profound impact on overall health. Let's embrace the journey towards a healthier tomorrow and work towards preventing Alzheimer's disease. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others. Together, we can make a difference in preventing Alzheimer's and promoting overall health.